Tuning the parameters, a key to mastery in English and beyond. Hello and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both technical and everyday contexts. Tune the parameters. This expression is not just about adjusting knobs on a machine or software settings. It's about fine-tuning various aspects of our lives, including learning English. Let's dive into what it means and how it can apply to language learning and beyond. The phrase, tune the parameters, comes from the technical field, where it means to adjust settings or variables for optimal performance. In a broader sense, it's about making small, precise adjustments to improve outcomes. Think of it as fine-tuning a musical instrument to get the perfect pitch or adjusting the settings on your camera to capture a stunning photo. When it comes to learning English, tuning the parameters could involve adjusting your study habits, the time you dedicate to practice, or even the methods you use to learn new vocabulary. It's about finding what works best for you and making slight modifications to enhance your learning experience. Applying tune the parameters in language learning is all about personalization and efficiency. Here are a few ways you can do this. Adjusting your study schedule. Find the time of day when you're most alert and productive for learning new concepts. Varying your learning materials. Mix textbooks with multimedia resources like videos, podcasts, and apps to keep your study routine engaging. Practicing with feedback. Use tools or language partners that can provide immediate feedback, allowing you to correct mistakes and improve faster. Remember, the goal is to make continuous, small adjustments based on feedback and results, just as you would fine-tune a musical instrument to achieve harmony. The concept of tuning the parameters extends beyond learning English. It's a powerful approach to personal and professional development. Whether it's improving your physical fitness, mastering a skill, or enhancing productivity at work, the principle remains the same. Identify areas for improvement, make small adjustments, and observe the impact. This mindset encourages experimentation, resilience, and a commitment to ongoing improvement, qualities that are invaluable in any endeavor. We hope this exploration of tune the parameters has shed light on how small adjustments can lead to significant improvements, not just in learning English, but in many areas of life. Remember, the key to mastery is not always about making big changes but fine-tuning the details. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you fine-tune your English learning journey and beyond.